This video is a basic introduction to EchoFlex Solutions Garibaldi commissioning software. Garibaldi can be used for project management, in-field commissioning, and troubleshooting. To use the software, you need a Windows computer and an EchoFlex ERUSB-S serial interface, which uses a standard USB port. And now let's take a look at the Garibaldi Windows interface. On the right-hand side at the bottom of our screen is the project name, the serial port our USB is plugged into, the radio ID of our USB interface, and the little radio beacon that's animated shows us that we're connected to our interface. On the left-hand side of the main screen is the project tree view. The tree view is an area where the controllers will be defined as they're added to our project. The project transmitter listing is where the sensors and switches will reside once added to our project. There's a clear transmitter listing button which will clear the table, and there's a learn and switch or sensor to project checkbox that can be used to add devices into our project. Below the project transmitter listing is the monitor telegrams window. This window will display the raw telegrams as they're received by the USB interface. There's a filter ID box that allows you to type in the radio ID of a device or drag and drop from the window into the box and filter on that ID. The Monitor Telegrams checkbox needs to be selected in order to receive these telegrams, and the Clear Monitoring pane allows you to clear the entire window. The Controller Commands section displays the currently selected controller name and has a status window indicating the last executed command status. There are buttons left to right that allow the operator to unlock controllers, ping or find the unlocked controllers, then a locate button which toggles the controller's relay. A controller details button will download the controller's complete image. Read and write configuration buttons allow further upload and downloading of the controller's configuration. The project menu allows the operator to open existing projects, create new, and save projects. They can also generate a report which can be printed out as project documentation. The Settings menu has selections for entering the USB interface's license key and creating log files of received telegrams. There's also a selection for a ping timer which allows you to adjust how often Garibaldi will ping the project controllers. Pinging the controllers provides indication via the icons that the controller is within range of the operator while using Garibaldi. The Devices menu allows the operator to add a new controller, switch, or sensor to the project. The operator can also load in a new controller listing or library file. This listing contains images of controllers so Garibaldi knows what configuration properties a controller supports. The About menu contains a selection to bring up the About Garibaldi window. This window contains information on the version number of Garibaldi and the licensed interfaces. This concludes this video. Please check out our other videos on Garibaldi and the use of our sensors, switches, and controllers. Thanks for listening.